on your status. With your fake boobs, you feel you have to show off. The status of Booby, the baby. Who cares? Doesn't matter enough. And now we haven't got a voice left. Have we go further about schedules? Reasonably. Stop being that. And I want to talk. And I will. Just reasonably. And not look at me sideways. I figured that out. I just, want to do the right thing now. What did I do? And you said, also earlier today never mind. What the fuck were you gonna say? There's no passion left anyway, so. The fuck is that? I don't need to get mean. So everybody's comfortable. And you'll have to find some other fucker. But you have to pay for it yourself. Alright. Okay, bye. Because you fucking can't get that fucking, you wanted that from, I can't believe you asked for that. And the tickets in the Lakers box, I got rid of the box because of you. And now nobody gets tickets because of you. I have to sell paintings because of you. You need to ask for that because of you. I spent more than $5 million because of you. Look what you've fucking done. Look at your son. He's a fucking mess. Because of you. Fuck you! And you love me!
She's fine.
Fire her! Because I won't pay her! And I will fire her! Because I won't pay her! Only works at my house! Because I won't pay her! And I will fire her! And I will do it fast. Funny how it went from 33 to 33 for showing off your fake tits! So fuck you! Look at yourself! And look what you've done. Fake tits. You think it was tricky to get that fucking tree and the hole and the placenta and organize all that shit? Fucking tree and the hole. You know how much fucking time and money went into that? Fucking tree and the hole. Fuck, I'm angry at you. Happy. Mean.